So we got some chip salad for Rory, and we're gonna wait for...
Come on, boys. Dinner time.
We went fishing today. Rory caught a big ass sailfish. Now we decided we're gonna catch one of these little fucks over here. All right, Rory, whenever you're ready.
Hey, hey, teach me how to Dougie. Hey, they be like, Smooth, what? Can you teach me how to Dougie? You know why? Cause all the bitches love me. Hey, all I need is a beat that's super bumpin'. And for you to back it up and dump it. Get it. Put your arms out front, lean side to side. They gon' be on you when they see you hit that Dougie ride. Ain't nobody fucking with my bro from Morningside. He go by Bubba and he hit that dance like thunder. Okay, I ain't from
Okay, Rory, just let it go, Rory, just let it go. Just let it go.
all my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. You ain't fucking with my Dougie.
Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie.
All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. You ain't fucking with my Dougie.
Jesus Christ.